Hello everyone, I am Sampath Nayak. Today I am starting a new course on Adobe Lightroom. This course is designed for the beginners. If you don't know Adobe Lightroom, and I will teach you from scratch. This tutorial starts from importing a photo and editing it with the numerous tools available in the Adobe Lightroom, then exporting to the required social networks. So without any delay, let's jump into the Adobe Lightroom and see how to import a photo. In chapter 1, we will see how to import a photo. You can see an interface like this in library, develop, map, book, slideshow, etc. But we will now just focus on library and develop. Before importing, you should be in a library interface. Okay, then in the left side, you can see a import button. You can import from here, or else you can import from the folder location. So what we'll do is we will import from this import button. We'll just click it. Then you will see another interface, right? In that there are four options. One is copy as DNG, copy, move, or add. These three interface I really don't like it because just copy the images in the another file location and then it will use. But what I want is I want to reduce the I want to save the storage. So what I will do is I will click on add. Okay, add means it will just access that storage device. If my photos are in the SSD, it will just access it. When you remove the SSD, you don't see the files at all. What we will do is in the add button, we will just go to one folder. You can see it is like there are many photos, right? I captured these photos in one of the best places. So here what we can do, you can import all the photos or just uncheck all, select the photos here, whichever photo you want. So what I will do is I will check all, and another thing is in this right hand side there is one click option like don't import suspected duplicates. Sometimes what happens means in your folder you might have the duplicates of your images. While clicking this one it will don't it won't copy that. Okay, so okay, this is the one thing, just we will import it and we'll see what happens. So it is showing importing files. In the leftmost side it is showing the fetching initial priors, everything. So you can see whatever you selected, it is there in the library options right now. So in the left side, Sampath is like my hard drive name. In that you can see there's Varanga, that is the place I captured images. Then in that folder my image is like that. So what I will do is if I remove my SSD, you can see there is a question mark. Here you can see a question mark. That means the SSD is just removed and you cannot access the photos, right? You cannot develop it. So always remember, in add option you should always have your SSD or whatever it might be, it should be ready while post processing it. Okay, again it will ask import, let's close it. Okay, so you have, this is one option. So another option is simple, just go for the folder plus add folders. You have one folders, right? So what I will do is, so one second, I will go for my raw folder, photos. I will go this raw folder. I will take in the photos and select it. Here you can see the same interface again, right? Can check, uncheck, whatever you want. I will select this one photo, then I will import it. Now in the this one you can see Nilavara. This folder name Sulara, and here you can two folders we imported. So next thing is, can just go in the develop mode. I selected Nilavar, you can see this one. If you want to select another folder, go in the library, click the Varanga, then go for develop mode. So this is a simple importing technique in the Adobe Lightroom. So in the next videos, what I will do is I will teach you how to develop a very good photo, how to edit it, and what all the interfaces tools are available, so that it will make you a good editor. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.